Now in this session, we look at what is called as reverse prompting. Okay, reverse prompting involves providing a desired output and asking Chat GPT how to achieve it. So like you give it a desired output and Chat GPT will work on that and help you achieve it. Like say for example, you want to write a resume. Okay, how should I write a resume for a software engineer? You can ask it a, yeah, this is called as reverse prompting. So it will, or you can also write a summary for a research paper on AI ethics. So what it will do is, it is something that you don't know how to do, but you have to do something. So there Chat GPT will help you with that. So that's called as reverse prompting. Now, one of the best aspects of Chat GPT is, this is what can even cause the fear of job disruption is the custom instructions. You can give custom instructions to tailor the responses. For example, you can ask it to act like a professional chef and it will do so. Okay. You can ask Chat GPT to take up a persona, like say for example, ask like a Facebook ad expert. Okay. Or act like a tax, what you call tax preparer or something and prepare my tax. It will do it for you. If you give the context like under US laws, India laws. So this is one of the most powerful features of custom instruction of Chat GPT. Sorry, is custom instruction. It can Chat GPT can act like a Facebook ad expert. Chat GPT can act like a chef. It can act like a person. Like say for example, you go to a consultant to ask for some work, like build a website for me. It will build it for you. Okay, so this is a very powerful feature of Chat GPT. So example, provide a recipe. Teacher explain theory of relativity. A career advisor, you don't need to go to a career advisor. I'm not saying don't visit, but it can act like a career advisor. It will suggest the options for your field that you're interested in. Now, apart from this, there are some advanced features, paid features of ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 4, which has got some extremely advanced capabilities, better contextual understanding, can handle more complex queries, and more accurate responses. Okay, we'll try to see a demo of ChatGPT 4 uh, tackling a complex query about quantum computing. Like you can give it an example, and right now I don't have a ChatGPT 4 subscription. Once I upgrade my ChatGPT, I'll show you this demo. But right now, just be aware that there are some advanced things that you can do with it. Another thing that you can use ChatGPT, the paid version, is DAL-E. DAL-E helps you create images from textual descriptions. Like say, for example, you can create an image, futuristic cityscape, or drawing of a panda riding a bicycle. Okay, so DALL-E will create it for you. But again, note these are not free; these are paid. In addition to this, ChatGPT 4 can also support plugins. Like say, for example, you have specific Wikipedia plugins, data analytics plugins. So this is more, more expert and more advanced. So let's explore a coding plugin to assist in developing a web application. Okay. So basically, what these are the advanced things that ChatGPT 4 can do. It gives you dedicated plugin. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I have find it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And also coming up is the demo of all the things that we have seen so far. I hope you had enjoyed this tutorial and had fun learning ChatGPT with me. Thank you for watching this tutorial.